make a video of that real quick.
Is the location where Prairie Fort used to be. That's where the Hocus party took place.
Well, we made it.
Last ones to get on the boat.
Gonna buy some tickets for a tour. Look how beautiful all these trees are.
Let's start at the beginning. Salem was settled in 1626 by Roger Conant. Salem was originally a fishing village called Numpkin. N-A. You'll see a brick building with a white entrance. That was the first Boys and Girls Club of America. This building was designed by Charles Goldfinch. Oh, look at the squirrel sitting on the gravestone. There you go. He's hanging out. Charter Street Cemetery. That is the Jacob Bailey High School from Hocus Pocus. This is where the Parker Brothers Game Factory was. There, if they spoke, ever. Children were not allowed to speak to adults, even if adults spoke first. They put women in there if they burned their husband's dinner. Allison's house from Hocus Pocus. They literally are decorating it to look just like it does in the movie. The pumpkins, the hay bales, the orange up lights, the white candles. Number 37. You'll see a lot of these half doors slate roof. You'll never see aluminum doors or vinyl siding on any of these buildings, nor would you want to. Even this one, we call this a duplex. 2 separate buildings with a partition wall right down the middle. Been told that mansion has 30 rooms, 7.5 bathrooms. Why so many rooms for a single-family house? When these were built in the early 1800s by rich people, they had money, they had servants, they entertained. All of these rooms were needed and being used. The brick building, Hamilton Hall, designed by Samuel McIntyre. The lower floor was a pub, the upper floor was dance hall.
This place is so, I don't know, it's not creepy, but it's like, there's a weird vibe to it. It's old, a lot of history.
I think it's awesome.
It is. I love it, but there is like a weird little vibe here, for sure. Especially like when we were looking at all the houses, the way they were built, and just like,
You can tell it's like one of those preserved places. Like you buy a house here, you have to keep it exactly the same as it is. Kind of like, I don't know, we just got done watching the series The Watcher. Kind of gives me those kind of vibes. But
yeah. It's a little, I don't know how to explain it. It's not creepy, but it's like
a lot different from the West, I'll tell you that much. A lot
very
different
beautiful.
Very beautiful, yes, but very different from the West. And now we're on our way to see Allison's house from Hocus Pocus. So we're walking downtown Salem. So we're on Cambridge Street in Salem. Fun fact, it is the widest one-way in Salem. It is the widest one-way for the reason that back in the day, carriages were able to do a full turn in here. So look at this place. No, the video doesn't do it justice, but Jesus, look at these mansions. Look at that.
so that they can dance all night. And
Look at those mansions. These things are beautiful. So these are like preserved mansions. I know I might have said that earlier, but you can't change the outside or the inside.
I would
Kinda
love
creepy.
to see the inside of all of these.
So right now, we are approaching Allison's house.
That's her name, Allison.
They decorated to look just like Allison's house from Hocus Pocus. Max's girlfriend. Max and Allison sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. So right now we are headed down the back of Allison's house from Hocus Pocus. Because this part of year, like last weekend, they had like 100,000 people in Salem visiting who were tourists. So this is the Ropes Mansion and Garden. Look how beautiful. I will be narrating this part of Victoria's vlog. Just look how beautiful it is. It's fall time. I refuse to believe that there is a better season than the US. Tons of color.
Dude, I love these dead sunflowers. Those look so cool.
Smells like children. I guess I never really noticed, which is like kind of hard to believe. I never paid attention. But like how when it's windy, all the leaves fall. And like the effect you get from it, it's beautiful.
Look at these blue trees. What the hell?
That's handy.
I know, but I know.
You guys just caught, are you recording?
Yes.
You guys caught a quick glance of how I actually am.
We're
Like
important here's the who.
I'm like, what does that even mean?
You never seen that movie with the trees?
Oh.
The little fluffy.
Oh, okay, I get it. I thought you were calling me a Horton. You know?
A Horton.
Am I a Horton or am I a who?
This is what happens, guys. I got his ass now.
I didn't pick up my underwear off the floor.
I got his ass now. This town is a trip.
Dobby.
That's what he was telling us about, right? Yeah.
He's from the old country, it's Dobby. Nice.
We made it. This whole day has been nothing but missions. And
I need me a bottle of water. Bottle of water.
Amber's knocked out and she didn't even have to walk. Oh, that's cool. Now that's what you're supposed to do with your junk, people. This is what you're supposed to do when you collect junk. Only place you can drink is cold Sam Adams across from a cold Sam Adams.
Is it rude to ask the table next to us what they're eating tomorrow?
No?
Get it on camera.
No.
What's it?
I know, that looks good too. It's either between that or the lobster mac and cheese.
That's good. Probably a sandwich.
Probably sandwich.
Last night in Boston with my babies. Gonna hit modern pastry one more time because we're some fatties.
She throws down the thing all fast.
Hey baby girl, what are you doing?
Cruising.
You cruising downtown Boston?
I got mocos.
Mocos. If you're from Boston, mocos means boogers. Well, they don't know. They're not from where we're from.
Everybody knows what a moco is.
Nobody knows what a moco is.
Everybody.
Let's go ask.
No.
Sir, do you know what a moco is? They're like, moco. Isn't that?
That's cute. Over there. I saw the jack-o'-lantern.
She finally saw the jack-o'-lantern that we were trying to get her to see last night. Gonna hit modern pastry one more time because that shit was gas. Excuse me, you two, for the vulgar language. You know it's gas when some of the neon signs burnt out.
Cake, I'll cost this. Mommy, I'll give him a tip.
A tip? Okay.
I'll give each of the pilots a tip.
Oh, that's so nice. Embers is extra happy today because it's her birthday.